how to download Facebook Messenger chats and messages. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Facebook Messenger chats and messages. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, simply open the Facebook app and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the menu icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings section, you simply have to tap on the option labeled as See More in Account Center. And now here, once you're inside the account center, then what you have to do is simply scroll down and tap on your information and permissions. And now here in this section, simply tap on export your information. And now here in this section, just tap on create export. And after that, on the next page, just select your Facebook account. And after that, you can just tap on export to device. And now here in this section, you can edit specific things like the information that you want and date range and format, and with that, even a media quality. And here, once you're done setting all these things, then you can just tap on Start Export. And after that, on the next page, you simply have to enter your Facebook password. And once you're done entering it, you have to confirm to download the information from your Facebook account. And once you do that, your Messenger chats will be saved on your device. And that's it. That's how you can download Facebook Messenger chats and messages. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.